Welcome to the Tourism Golden app tutorial series. The app is designed to help you make the most of your time in Golden, whether you're a local or just visiting for the day, week, or season. In this series, we're going to show you how to maximize your use of the app. You can use the app to find accommodation, see activities and attractions, create a personalized trip itinerary, access biking, sledding, and Nordic skiing trail maps with GPS capabilities, and get notifications of local events. First, you'll have to download the app. You can search Golden BC Canada in the search bar of the App Store or Google Play. Download the app onto your phone and open it up. The intro slides give you an idea of the many ways you can use the app. We suggest allowing the app to use your location so that it can alert you to nearby events and attractions, and so that the GPS maps can work correctly when you're out on the trails. You can choose if you would like the app to track your location, even if you don't have it open on your phone. The trail systems in Golden are managed and maintained by volunteers. By letting the app track your location, the volunteer clubs can understand which trails are being used and how frequently. This helps mitigate the impact that recreation has on local ecosystems. You can also accept to receive push notifications about events and attractions. Here, the app opens up in guest mode, and you're welcome to use it just like this. Or you can choose to create an account, and this is free and will help you plan and book your trip. It will also allow you to build and save personal trip itineraries. Tune in to the next video to learn how to make an account.